Hello everyone, and welcome to French Fried Trains. Today, we're going to be building something a little different here, and we're going to be learning how to build this camper trailer. Now this really isn't based on any specific model, it's my own design. And, as with all my builds, it does have a full interior inside here. And after we build it, I'm going to show you how to modify one into the version that's being pulled down the road here. So let's get right into the build. We're going to start off with the wheels in the middle, and for that we're going to use black wool. And we're going to put a pattern of 4 with 2 blocks of space between them and 1 block of space sideways, like this, and then put a stone button on the side of all 4 of them. In between each one, 2 polished andesite slabs like this, and 4 polished andesite slabs in between here. Then in front of it, on the upper hip box, we're going to do a 5x4 of polished andesite slabs. And then behind it, on the upper hip box, we'll also do a 5x4 back here. So we're looking like this. Then we're going to come to whatever side your front's going to be, and we're going to take out spruce planks, 5 across the end here. Then, in front of this, up on this second layer, we're going to put 2 stone brick walls on either side, and then come 4 across, like that. In front of this, a 2x2 of walls in the middle. Then we'll have to dig down real quick, and under here put 2 upside down grindstones so that the trailer's balanced on these little wheels. Then we'll swing up around here on this side and take out spruce planks again, and we're going to come all the way down this outside edge and then across the back here, and then we'll come to this side. And actually, I forgot the fender over here. Come on this side, knock out these 3 above the wheels. And we're going to put an upside down spruce stair facing this way, then outward, then this way, so it wraps around like this, and take out that slab, so we have the wheel well above the wheels. Then come to this side, 4 planks here, and then take out this slab, same thing, a stair upside down this way, then outward, then a plank here, and an upside down stair here, so it looks like that. Then we're going to put an oak door right here, and 2 more planks right here. Then, up here, 3 smooth quartz blocks. On this side of the door, 1. Then we'll do 3 black stained glass panes, and then smooth quartz down to the end. On the back, 2 stained glass panes here, and then we're going to bring smooth quartz up till you get right here. Right here, we'll do 2 black stained glass panes, smooth quartz to the front, and across this front gap. Then we're going to swing around on this front end here, and on either side of the smooth quartz we're going to put a lever going downward, close 2 oak trap doors in the middle between them. Then 1 block down we need 2 trap doors opened in here, and we're going to put 2 skeleton skulls on there for the fuel tanks. Next, we're going to put 4 smooth quartz stairs coming across the back here, and 4 coming across the front. Then on this top outside edge, a full row of smooth quartz blocks down each side here. Then we'll take out smooth quartz slabs up here and come 4 across here, then down the top outside edge, 4 across this end, and up this edge. Then we're going to take out smooth quartz stairs and face them inward like this, a full row facing inward here, turn the other way, and a full row facing inward here. Just like that. Now come on the back on either side down here, a glow item frame with a redstone block in them. Above it, a mangrove button on each side. come on the side here with spruce signs on this level, and we're going to put a full row of blank spruce signs coming forward. Up to this window, and then 3 up here. And then we'll do the other side for the striping. A sign here, 3 signs here, and behind the window, a row of signs down to the back. Then here and here on each corner, acacia button. Same thing here, acacia button here and here. Then we're going to come up top, and up here, we're going to go every other block with an acacia button. And then in between them, we'll go every other block with a birch button. Then same thing here, every other block up here, an acacia button. And then every other block in between them with a birch button. Now we'll come on this bottom edge of these slabs, and we'll do a full row of birch signs right here. Skip over the wheels, and then a full line of birch signs to the front. Then we'll do the other side. Full line of birch signs here. Skip over the wheels, and a full line of signs here. Then on the back, a birch sign on either side, and 2 warp signs in the middle. Then we need to come up front and get under here, get a birch sign on this side under here. And the same thing, one over here on this side. Then actually we're going to come in front of this door, take out the sign, and put a polished andesite stair. Then since this one's going to be set up at the campsite, up here we're going to put 5 cobbled deep slate slabs, because there's an awning that rolls out on these. Then we're going to come 1 over and 1 hitbox down, and another 5 slabs. And then one more time, we're going to come 1 over and 1 down, and another 5 slabs. Then we're going to take out dark oak fence right here. We're going to come out 2, up 1, over 1. And actually we need to extend this awning back further. So back here, we're going to come back another 2 blocks on all of these. Then right here, come out 2 with dark oak fence, up 1, over 1. And now the awning's set up. And now we're going to do the interior, so come inside here. And then right next to this window, we're going to put a column of 3 smooth quartz coming up. So it divides it. In front of it here, under the window, is going to be the kitchen. So we'll put a blast furnace and a cauldron. Then we're going to get a detector rail on top of the blast furnace. Then we need a bucket of water. Fill the cauldron with water. Hit it with light blue dye. Above it, there'll be some cupboards, so 2 sideways barrels. And in this end, we're going to put a bed. Then above this bed, we'll put 2 temporary blocks and another bed on top. Take out the temporary blocks. Then we'll come back here, and we need to grab an end portal. And this will be the bathroom. So we're going to put an end portal right here. Then turn this way and put an iron door for the wall. Right here, put a birch door for the actual door, and then another column of 3 smooth quartz, and then fill in above it with smooth quartz. Then we're going to come down here, and we need a white banner. Come inside this bathroom, and we need to crouch and get a white banner on the inside of this iron door to block the window. Just like that. Then behind this, there'll be some storage shelves. And for that, we're just going to grab some bookcases and do a column of bookcases right here. And in this end, 2 beds. Then we need to light it, so we'll grab a torch. And we'll put a torch up in here. And a torch on this end. And now the interior is all complete here. And this completes the build for the camper at the campsite, all set up. And now we're going to learn how we will modify one into the version that's being towed down the road. So I've copied another one in here, And the first thing we need to do is take off all these slabs from this awning, because this will be rolled up when it's driving. Then take off all these fences as well. And take off these fences. Take off that stair under the door too. And then replace that with a birch sign. Then it needs to be being towed by a vehicle here. If you don't have a vehicle to tow your camper, this pairs really well with our Ford Bronco build here. I'll have that Ford Bronco build linked in the description if you need to know how to build that. So it just connects up to the back of that there. And looks like this going down the road. And then the final step here is to come up here, polish deep slate wall and put 7 of them, and that'll be that awning that's all rolled up. And there we have it, folks. We've completed our little Minecraft camper tutorial. I hope everyone enjoyed the build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there.